My mother is cooking our breakfast. Ang aking ina ay nagluluto ng aming almusal. Nobody will believe that rumor. Walang sino man ang maniniwala sa tsismis na iyon. Whatever you say, truth will come out. Ano man ang sabihin mo, lalabas din ang katotohanan. Not everybody succeeds in life. Hindi lahat ay nagtatagumpay sa buhay. She doesn't like wearing heels. Hindi siya mahilig magtakong. She has a great fear of snakes. Grabe ang takot niya sa mga ahas. She held on to my hand tightly. Mahigpit niyang hinawakan ang kamay ko. She rarely goes out on Sunday. Bihira siyang lumabas kapag Linggo. She was brought up by her aunt. Pinalaki siya ng kanyang tiyahin. That's almost impossible to do. Halos imposibleng gawin iyon. The children are tired of playing. Pagod na ang mga bata sa paglalaro. The frog came out of the water. Lumabas ang palaka sa tubig. I love the picture on the wall. Gusto ko ang larawan sa dingding. There is a time for everything. May oras para sa lahat. There is no use of talking to her. Wala siyang kwentang kausap. They are in favor to your plan. Pabor sila sa plano mo. They say that he's still missing. Sabi nila'y nawawala pa rin siya. Next time, let's do our best. Sa susunod, pag-igihan natin. We took part in the discussion. Sumali kami sa usapan. We need to protect ourselves. Kailangan nating protektahan ang ating mga sarili. We've just cleaned the toilet. Kalilinis lang namin ng banyo. Someday, you'll forget about me. Balang araw, makakalimutan mo rin ako. You're barking at the wrong tree. Mali ang pinagbibintangan mo. Your name is first on the list. Una ang pangalan mo sa listahan. A strong wind blew all day long. Malakas ang hangin buong araw. It's hard to trust someone you cannot rely on. Mahirap magtiwala sa isang tao na hindi pwedeng asahan. It's dangerous to go out nowadays. Mapanganib lumabas sa panahon ngayon. Above all, you should trust yourself. Higit sa lahat, dapat kang magtiwala sa iyong sarili. How can I forget that? Paano ko makakalimutan yon? You should have known him well. Dapat kinilala mo siya ng mabuti. About how many books do you have? Mga ilang libro meron ka? His car was stolen yesterday. Nanakaw yung kotse niya kahapon. Someone is sneaking around the house last night. Mayroong umaaligid dito sa bahay kagabi. I don't want to hurt you. Ayaw kitang saktan. I'll keep it in mind. Tatandaan ko. Much better you stay away. Mabuti pang lumayo ka na lang. I was afraid of them when I was a little. Takot ako sa kanila noong ako'y maliit pa lamang. I think I need to make another plan. Sa tingin ko, kailangan kong gumawa ng bagong plano. Does anyone know where all these things came from? May nakakaalam ba kung saan galing ang mga ito? Calm down, they're just spiders. Maghunis dili ka, mga gagamba lang yan. Don't freak out. Huwag kang matakot. I must say that you are an expert. Masasabi ko na isa kang batikan. When was the last time you visited here? Kailan ka huling dumalaw dito? I'll help you get rid of the rubbish. Tutulungan kitang tanggalin ang dumi. Make sure you say goodbye before you leave. Siguraduhin mong magpaalam ka bago ka umalis.